Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through YouTube. It's so YouTube basically it's an app used for sharing videos. You can use it for uploading your videos, or sometimes even use it for entertainment, where you go and search for what you want to watch and then it entertain you. And then we can also use it for research, where you go and search for the document that you want or the videos that you make you learn as skills or other things. Importance of this YouTube, it helps us to get all what we want at our time, basing on our taste and preferences. It's also a source of income, whereby for the content creators, you can be able to get your money if you put into those contents, and then people like and subscribe and they share to their friends. They pay you in a long run. So when you want to get YouTube, you should go to your Chrome and then you type youtube.com. Search for it, then it's going to bring for you. Here you can go and click on the link. Then the YouTube is going to open and you'll be able to access what you want. Here you can search for the songs, you can search for movies, you can search for all what you want to watch in the YouTube. Another thing also, if you want to create the YouTube account, basically you go to the youtube.com, then you are expected to sign in. You're supposed to sign in. Then also come and say create. Here to show you how to upload your videos, how to go live, how to post what you want to, and the rest. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.